humidity 59%. The wind was... This is a test of the weather radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations or other emergencies, special bill receivers are automatically activated to warn. Conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamus,
What are you doing, Cat?
Anson, Bertie,
What are you doing?
Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe,
I'll let this thing go off. So the next one will be RW2.
Halifax, Harnett,
Cool.
Polk, Iredell, Johnson, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Person, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Milan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the weather radio's warning alarm system.
He apparently disobeyed his parents, left home without telling them, and Tom, his mother is very disappointed with him.
Here are the 10 a.m. observations for the region. At the Piedmont High Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 77 degrees, the dew point 63, and the relative humidity 61%. The wind was northwest at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was... It was sunny. The temperature was 77 degrees, the dew point 62, and the relative humidity 59%.
That's right, it doesn't turn on.
It was northwest at 5 miles an hour. The pressure... Elsewhere across the region... At Charlotte, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 79.
Alright.
It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 79. At Burlington.
Cool.